You are welcome today to our channel. This is a Forex channel where we talk about the way forward as per Forex trading. We are here to help one another as to improving our trading and to make more pips. The goal is to make more pips, green pips that will convert to dollars in our pocket. Now I want to talk about pin bars today. Pin bars, like what I said earlier, is a very powerful tool that can change your Forex trading forever. So pin bars are candlesticks and they are very powerful. They are potent when you want to know the change in the direction of the market. It is a leading tool, it's a leading indicator for change of direction. Pin bars help us to easily know if we are in an uptrend, okay, when to go, when to sell. As in, the rule is buy low and sell high. So pin bar indicates when it is proper to sell high and when it is proper to buy low. Okay, so I believe that you can grow your account easily when you are using this strategy consistently. You just need patience and discipline, just with any other strategy. These two qualities, patience and discipline, will surely create wealth for any trader that knows how to use pin bar correctly. Of course, there is a correct use of pin bars, just as with any other strategies. Now, we are fortunate, we are highly favored to know that pin bars work more times than not. Okay, pin bars, they work more times than not. That means pin bars can give you 60%, 70%, 80%. In fact, it's an A+ trading strategy. Pin bar strategy that is used correctly is an A+ strategy, okay? But I want to know that what defines a pin bar is where it is formed. What defines it? Is it a bullish pin bar or a bearish pin bar? So it depends on where it is formed. Now, what do I mean? When a pin bar is formed at resistance level, at the high, then we call it bearish pin bar. That means it's indicating a change, a bearish tone. Okay, and similarly, when we have a pin bar at the support level, we call it a bullish pin bar. So you can see that it is support and resistance levels that give names to a pin bar, that qualify a pin bar. Okay, so now we shall disregard any pin bar that is formed outside any level of negotiation between buyers and sellers. The level of negotiation between buyers and sellers are either support levels or resistance levels. That's where sellers and buyers negotiate significantly. Okay, our strategy is very simple. We're going to buy above a bullish pin bar. That means when we have a bullish pin bar, we're going to buy above it, or we're going to sell below a bearish pin bar, and our take profit to be at the next level of negotiation, or at the next resistance for buyers, or next support for sellers. I mean, if you are selling, you target the next support, and if you are buying, you target the next resistance. Or you can just leave your trade to close leave your trade to run for the whole day and close it at the end of the day. It's up to you. Or you use trailing stop. Okay. There are three conditions that are very important when using pin bars. Number one, the bar must have closed completely before we can call it a pin bar. You can see a candle forming, and eventually it looks like a pin bar, and at the end of the day, it will turn out to be a full harami, a full bar, not a pin bar. And number two, the pin bar must be formed at the support or resistance levels. It is support or resistance level that makes any pin bar meaningful. You disregard any pin bar that is not formed either at the support or at the resistance. It is very important. And lastly, we are going to trade only the break of the pin bar. That means we are buying above the bullish pin bar, or we sell below a bearish pin bar. Okay, now look at this scenario. This is a downtrend. Now this is a typical pin bar. This is a pin bar. You can see that the market closed below this support level. It moves below this support level and eventually closed above it, forming this kind of candle which we call pin bar. This kind of candle is pin bar. You don't care if it is red or blue. The most important thing is that it is formed at the support. Since it is formed at the support, we call this pin bar a bullish pin bar. So we place our buy stop above this high, and then you can see our market moves significantly to test the next resistance. So it is up to you to use your take profit, but this is a setup for buying. We buy above this pin bar. It is formed at this support level. This is a support level where this pin bar is formed. So it should not close below the support. If it closes below the support, then you disregard it. But for the fact that the price drops below the support and eventually closed above it, then it's a bullish pin bar. Let's take a look at another one. Now this is also a pin bar. Now it is blue. That's why I said I don't care if it is blue or red. Now this is the support level. The low of a bearish candle is a support level, but that means it is moving down. The market is bearish, but eventually what we have here is that this pin bar moves, the market session moves below the low during the session and eventually closed above it. So this is a bullish pin bar, is formed at the support. So we're going to buy above it, and you can see our price significantly move up with respect to the pin bar. So this is pin bar. You try and study how it works. Read about it. Go online. Go to Baby Peeps. Read a lot about pin bar. You can build your trade career around this strategy, and it's going to deliver. Like I said, you are going to succeed in the business of forex trading if you have focus and you are disciplined. Honestly, this very system that you see is very simple, and it can create wealth for you in the long run. That is if you work with it patiently. Like I like to tell you, like I always tell traders, young traders, that no trading systems will work. No trading system will deliver any meaningful results for any impatient and indisciplined trader. So you need to take note of this fact. Okay, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I'm here to work with you to improve your trading. Don't forget to check my description page in case you want to copy my trade with as low as $20, or you can put much more. There's a great probability that you will make money with me. I really thank you for your time. This is my WhatsApp, and you can see my email b&bforex@yahoo.com. Once again, I thank you for your time, and I'd like to see you in the next video.